Rock and roll. Yep. Oh, deer. Good. Rooster! 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 That is for our first shots of the.
What's that?
First shots of the year. I couldn't see that first two. It was like a straight butt look. I couldn't see the
first two.
Identify that they were roosters.
Yeah, all three that got up there were roosters.
Rooster! Rooster! Got that one.
Dusted that one. Yeah!
On the board.
Rooster! Rooster! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Rooster!
Bird hunter.
He was dead when I fired.
Yeah.
He was right as I pulled the trigger. I saw him fold. Right
I see that he's a little banged up. He's
shot his head.
well. That was good. I thought it would be action in here.
Oh yeah.
Right along the corn, where the water, in between the corn and the water. All right, 16 more.
I heard him up in. You could hear him. I went after this one more. I could hear him.
I could have shot more, but I'm trying to find these two.
Yeah.
I mean, I could have shot that last one, but I'm like, I'm like trying to mark where I'm having. And look, he went up and got that other one because it wasn't dead.
No, that was a good shot. Good shot.
There were more roosters than hens, that's for sure.
Oh yeah.
The one where you could have shot, it was a hen. You're like, damn,
I
hen.
know. He's right in front of me.
Like, the only one that you had a really good shot at that time was the hen. I was like, that was a rooster.
Yeah.
Well, there's...
Jordan grouse hunter. I want to get you on a grouse.
Midwest Jordan has caught a barracuda before he started running. Yeah. I want to witness the first one.
What? What's it gonna be? 2020 grouse slaughter. Grouse gonna get hurt.
He's gonna get hurt.
All right. So, what about where are they?
I think Jordan's dead.
Yeah, there's a grouse.
Hey, yeah. Look at that.
That's a grouse.
Nice. He's got his long jaw, bro.
Yeah.
When's the last time you got one?
Never.
Never?
Yeah.
He's got a lot of grouse.
I know. We never.
Yeah.
We always thought they were hens growing up.
We just weren't.
No, you got so many there. You produce them, you're not killing them.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah.
Here. That's recording. You can kind of aim it at us and kind of, it's recording, so you can just let it record. Yeah. You can just kind of aim it at us and see if you can catch anything happen.
We were fast, they were faster.
Well, their life depended on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just got real. Oh geez. Rooster! Rooster! Nice! Man.
Nice shot! Nice shot!
Mark him!
He's on the floor! Well, I think somebody's had, I think your dad's there.
Did he get tattooed again?
You got it! Keep walking out! You got it!
Death by 1,000 cuts.
Oh, right? Yeah. Just rubs your rubs it raw, man.
Yeah, the hair's not too bad right away. Anyway.
Right.
Time to sting.
Right.
It kind of hurts.
Yeah. 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 And then every single one was like.
Yeah.
There you go.
Is that the one you shot at? This is the one I shot.
Yeah, he dropped out there in the old short grass. He got up and started running. I thought, we're not going to let another one get away.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or do you want to try to hit this little one?
What do you do?
I'm kind of exhausted, to be honest. I mean, I don't know how much I have left in me.
No, that's all good.
Would you say a pheasant per person as far as burgers?
Jeez.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah.
For burgers?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
You think 5 would be alright?
yeah, it's fine. You
we
guys want to
talking
try
about-
it? Because there is some over there.
Over here.
What do you want to do?
you
The
wanna
north
try this
patch
little
now,
one?
or
What?
you want to do the north patch, or what do you think?
Yeah, it's right there.
Let's do it quick. Hurry up. Let's
right.
get it done.
All right.
You'll, you can jump in with me. And we'll
Yeah, I'll do the end. I'm a little.
Who would think he's a deer? Right. Trophy grouse.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. All right, let's get in here. Here, I'll go here. Scoot in. You gotta get in closer.
Oh yeah. Oh. Good. Good. Meat good.
Give him the sprinkler. Yeah.
Should do the dice thing. The recording animal.
You are a high roller.
Lawnmower.
There it is. Get it, get it.